Welcome to today's show. Last week it stormed here in Manitoba. The roads were shut down. And some of my friends, one of my friends, to sleep on the floor of the hall, bronchialed, on a little blanket she had. So for her birthday, I made her this. This is reflective insulation, about 8 millimeters thick. We're gonna go make her a sleeping pad. You can buy whatever size of roll you want. I made these 6 feet long, 2 layers, so you can make it like a sleeping bag, or you could make it like a mat. Let's go make it. It's 6 feet long. Here's the other one. You can see there's a really shiny side and a not so shiny side. It's heating right up. So we'll make some shiny sides and shiny. Duct tape is 2 inches. Tape is 2 inches. Measure 1 inch all the way along. Okay, there you got it, like that. This is the real shiny side. Timer's off. This is the real shiny side. You can see that it's not as shiny inside. Okay, let's flip her over. We have to put out bead along this side. Okay, mark another 1 inch all the way down. And now it's a bit tricky because you have to put some electrical tape or something so that the ends don't stick to the tape when you fold them. When it folds, it's going to be wider. Be like this and then fold. So a layer of tape. See that? It's backwards down. And this is on top. And like that to each line. It's a little bit tricky. Lay it down. Once it's stuck, it's stuck. Yeah, it's like that. You can see it's a little shinier on one side. Probably isn't. Yeah, it's a shiny. Put your hand on here. That's warm. So now you have a double sleeping pad. Tape right on it. Or you can go right in it and tape in there. If I was making a double pad, I'd flip it inside so that this was at the top. So I'm going to put my hand here. 19.5, 24.5. You know, how long has it been? 10 seconds. 19.7. 27.5. And it's a no-brainer. Get a couple of rolls of this. Even if you have one, roll it up, pack it in your car. Take it camping. Whatever. Alright. Yeah, you can see it rolls up. It's not really compact, but it's not. Gonna put a string around it. Put it in the bag. There. So what's really great about this, you know, I think homeless people could use it, or anybody, because you just wash it off. Water doesn't matter. You know, you just clean it, you wash it, it's good. I'm just gonna put it in a bag, but you don't have to. Well, if you like today's video, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Remember to leave a comment that's helpful for others. Later.